So hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are created the project that job management system using the Python and Django. So without wasting any time, just start for the running. Before running, I need to say you something. How to run the process of this project. Open the extracted file in the VS Code. After that, open the terminal and type these following commands and run it. For installation, the requirements only one time. This is only one time. After that, in the terminal, run the following command: python manage.py run server to run the server. Okay. Then simply we are typing this command in the terminal. Okay. After pressing the enter, the server has been created and run on this link. You can copy it from readme file, or you can see this link in the terminal also. Okay. After opening this file, the automatically your browser opening and this link will show. Okay. After that, this is our project, the main project. As we can see, this is our home interior, like find a job will you love. Okay, this is message. After the position you are looking for, like manager. After that, senior developer, junior developer, you can search as your locations type, like Pune, Mumbai, and search it. After that, the features job, it says learn travel, further jobs are there. Here is the trending this month jobs. Now we can put here after the new updated. Okay. So before doing something, here is the home page, about us, or contact page. After that, for login we need to register first. So for register, here is the two options: employees and employers. The employees which is want to the apply for the job, and employers is which is the hire to the employees. Okay. It is so first we are need to going with the employers. Okay. To create account, put your company name like CSC projects, company address, app, whatever you do you have. Okay. So this is my test. Gmail and confirm password. Okay. After that, register. Okay, sorry, this email ID is already exists, so we can put a 3. Okay, so here we go, we are logging successfully. After that, we are registered to successfully. After that, we are redirect to the login page. Click on this, put this email and type your password and to login. After the login, you can see the interface like this. Here we are logging section. Here we can access the dashboard, applicant, post a new job, and the logout option. So in a post a new job, clicking on this. After that, here we can things is of titles like developer, description, write something, location putting Pune, type full time. Here is the option full time, part time, on internship, whatever you want. Okay, here is also option web design, graphic design, web development, and you can add also more. After that, apply your URLs of your website and validity of the post. Means the post will delete it after some time. Okay, that will the validity. The company details as the company names, company descriptions, and the website link. Okay, after that, agree with the terms and condition, save and publish. After publishing, you can redirect to the dashboard of CSC projects here. After that, here you can, on this interface you can see the total post you have created jobs for this. Like for example, we are now filled the developer job, it's not filled for the, it's for date of posting this, like it's today 13 May and date of expiry is 15 May, means this post is remain only 2 days. After that, this post will be deleted. Okay, here is 0 applicant shown because there is no applicant further. Okay, simply back, and here is a, here we can edit it. Okay, whatever you want, and after editing, okay, update the job. Okay, and also you can delete from here. Mark as filled, here is not filled shown. After we click on mark as filled, no new applicant can apply for this. Okay, so before that we are going with the logout and going with the employee ID. So here is also putting the names. Okay, same data like gender, here first name, last name, email ID, password, confirm password, genders, and register. uh, the user that is email is already exists, so that's why we are going to direct login. Okay, so when you are login, so this is the employee ID. After we can see here, we can view your name. Like here is also two options, like edit profile if you want to change your names and genders something, and the logout option. Okay, and this is the interface for you. This is the available jobs, and this is our trending this month, means posted in 1 minute before. Okay, now click on simply developer. After that you can see here the web design, the category of the last date for applying, the salary is negotiable, or you can put whatever you want. This is description, and this is the apply this for this job is the option. Here is the about CSC project, this is company name, this is company's description, this is company's website link, whatever do you want. I put just simply ChatGPT's link because I don't have any company. Okay, after that when you click on apply for the job, so and the CSC project, here we can see the notification successfully apply for the job and already applied at here. After that, if you get log out and log in with the employer ID like this 3. Okay, after login, on the dashboard, here we can see the one applicant is appear here. So after clicking on this, we can see the details of the applicant like Vishal Patil, contact, and applying date or timing. Okay, after that here is many hour. After clicking back, you can add new position from here or new job from here. So same file you need to fill and save and publish. Okay, so here is the all about our this. Okay, so we just forgot about this mark as field. After we mark this location, we can see the field. Okay, if we so this is our applicant. Here we can see the options, the total applicants you have, applied position for developers, and everything about this applicants. Post new job and logout option. After the logout, you can totally access this particular job, and you can search your particular job at location and according to your position. Okay, so that's all about this project. If you want to buy, contact me. The contact location in description. Okay, thank you.